Hey everyone, struggling to choose between Seatable, Airtable, and Notion for your projects? Let's break them down and find the best fit for you. First up, we have Seatable. It's a no-code platform blending spreadsheet simplicity with database power. Think customizable databases, real-time collaboration, and complex visualizations via plugins. It's perfect for teams needing flexible, data-driven workflows with a focus on security. Next, we have Airtable. It's a spreadsheet database hybrid with linked records and views like Kanban, Calendar, or Gallery. It shines in managing structured data, think CRMs, inventory, or project tracking, with robust automations and developer-friendly APIs. Finally, Notion, an all-in-one workspace for notes, wikis, and lightweight databases. Its block-based system lets you create flexible pages for project management, team documentation, or personal tasks. It's ideal for creative teams who love customization. So, how do they stack up? Seatable is great for data-heavy teams needing custom apps and visualizations, but it's newer with a smaller community. Airtable excels in structured data and automations, though it is pricier and less flexible for docs. Notion's king for knowledge management and creative workflows, but struggles with large datasets. Choose Seatable for complex data and app building, Airtable for structured project management, or Notion for collaborative docs and flexibility. Test our free plans to see what fits, and that's it. Pick your tool and streamline your workflow. Like and subscribe for more tech tips, and I'll see you in the next video.